Good morning and welcome, Jelly Cube, and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast coming to you with an acrylic ring pour. So I haven't, oh no, hang on, what am I doing? I suppose it is kind of, well, I'm just going to do a pour. I was going to do it in a ring, but I'm not sure if I need to do that because I'm going to do it through this little sieve. Cutie little sieve. So I'm just a bit concerned because it has a solid bottom that maybe I'll let the paints fill up, and I suppose I just try it and give this a go. I just want to give this cute little sieve a go with my paint. So what I will do is I will load my paints up into I'll load my paints up into a cup, and as I go, and I want to do nice bright colours, and then I'll pour it through that little sieve. So I haven't done one of these for quite a while. It's a sieve or a strainer. I'm not sure what you call this in your particular country. I think we just call it a sieve here. So we will give it a go. And I've got some lovely bright colours. So I'm going to load my cup up. So I'll start with my yellow. I'll go orange. And I'm going to pour my turquoise. That's the last I've got of that turquoise. So that will be the only bit in there of turquoise because that's the last bit. Wow. So nice bright colours for sure. And I've got some of the Berry Delicious. Put that in there. I will go back to my yellow and the orange. Oh, I need some white in here, I believe. That's the last of the orange. I always add a good dash of yellow to my orange. It just makes it really nice and bright. And that's, of course, if you like bright colours. This is just my normal white. I've just got it made up in this large container because it's easier to make up a 1 litre of it. And I always put some marbles in the bottom of my container. So when you shake it up, the marbles help it. Yeah, they help it mix. So I'll put a bit more of the Berry Delicious, and I will go the Razzle Dazzle Red. I've got the last bit of that. Go back to the yellow. Razzle Dazzle. No, that's not Razzle Dazzle, that's Berry Delicious. Back to my white. I'm doing it on this nice round canvas too, because I thought if it turned out kind of looking like a planet, I have a plan for it later. So we'll just see, because not everything turns out to plan, as I have found. Usually when you are doing a ring pour, it is better to have your paint on a little bit thicker. It helps with the structure, retaining the structure of the design, but not all of my paints are the same thickness. Some are thinner and some are thicker, so it may not go to plan today. So that. Just use up the last of that. Where's my stirrer? So obviously this will be the first colour that comes out through that strainer. Rightio, let's see what this delicious cup of colour makes for us through this strainer. Right, I'll go the, ooh, I don't want to do the ring, like the ring, because I might mix it too much. So I will just pour it through this and see how we go. It looks lovely inside the strainer. This particular mix has got no silicone in it. It's the pouring medium recipe is underneath in the drop down box, but it's got no silicone. It's only the glue and water mix along with Floetrol. This might just end up one big mess. I am absolutely not sure what it's going to do. It's very scary. Maybe I'll do the circly motion now, like the ring. See if it changes the look of it. It looks very nice in the strainer, but I'm not sure what's coming out the other end. Oh dear. You got to try these things, you know. Sometimes they obviously don't turn out to plan and they don't turn out real good, and then other times they do. So it's basically all yellow left in the bottom. So if I go and pour all of that in, this probably would look good on a spinner. Spinner. Let's put some white in it. It's got a little bit of blue here. I haven't used blue in the rest of it, but I might just put some blue in to be my last colour that comes through. Maybe. I might just pour some white on the very edge. It just, the other colours will push this white off, but it'll just give it a bit of paint there to push off. So no reason, I've just done it. So now I'm a bit scared about lifting this. Let's see, I've got to lift it, shove my hand underneath it to stop the drips. Slowly, slowly, slowly. I'm just letting the paint run out. The bottom of the strainer looks lovely. Wow. Wow, look at that. That's pretty bizarre. Just got a little idea here, whether it works. Just want to draw some of that white through back this way. See if it'll separate it a little bit. Wow, I don't want to touch that. That looks bizarre. Bizarre, bizarre. So bizarre, so bizarre. That really needs to go on a spinner. Maybe I have to try and get my spinner out rather than tilt that. Wow. Oh my goodness, what do you reckon? Do I tilt it or spin it? I've got my spinner handy. Oh, I've got several there. I wonder if I put it on my spinner. Should I try this or not? Oh my goodness, decisions. What are you saying to me? Try it or not? I think I might try and put that on my spinner. Just bear with me 1 second and I will move that aside and I'll put my wobbly old spinner. Oh no, that's not working. too good, that one. Maybe my spinner that I've got this handle attached, so it works, I can use my handle on it. But is this going to work? Because I can't just put the canvas on it. So that's not going to work, because do you reckon it's going to... Holy dooly, Jackaroonie. Let's see. Oh, is this going to work? Where's my handle? Woo! Oh dear, I should think of these things before I do them. Oh my goodness. I'll put it on this spinner. My husband's come in, he's look at me now and think, what the heck is she doing? I've got in the right best job.
Making a cake.
Yeah, well look, I put it on my spinner,
Yeah.
but I can't. It was sort of a last minute plan.
Yeah.
And it's not working. But you try these things. I'm making a right mess.
Oh, it's looking good.
Oh, you did kind. Thank you, darling. That is so kind.
Yeah.
Just look weird, hey?
Yeah, it's spreading out. It's gonna, by the time, another couple of turns, you got it. Look at that.
Thank you for your confidence, dear.
Look at that. That's...
I've got a little handle that I put underneath for trying to do my own gadgets here.
It looks like a little, it looks like a person. There's two eyes there and a bit of a funny face with a big beard.
Oh, I don't know if I want to meet that kind of person. This looks, actually, it looks a bit like it looks like a bit like an Indian headdress, don't you think?
Yeah.
Like, I keep looking underneath to find me where the handle is, but it wouldn't be funny for me if it went off spinning off the...
Oh, you know why? Because it's off centre.
Oh, it's a bit
That's
like me and you then, hey? A bit... Is that covered?
I'll go and do
wow.
Go and do a bit of work though.
Okay. Thanks for your confidence anyway. That is really unusual. Really unusual look. Oh, gosh. I mean, it's beautiful, but it's beautifully different, should I say. Interesting or cute. Definitely kind of looks like an Indian headdress here with a kind of a brain. I'm not sure. But I don't really want to spin it anymore. It's completely covered around. Yeah, it's covered now. So, wow, next stage, she's just learned to see how it dries. I said she wasn't going to, oh, there you go. Actually touch. Because if I put that canvas on top, directly on top of that spinner, it would just push the canvas on, because the canvas is bigger than the spinner. So the spinner would have pushed up and all the paint would have, so you needed something. But it's probably a good thing to try and attach this to my spinner, because I've got a big round that I want to spin. So if I can attach that, but these effects in it are quite, yeah. I think it's strangely lovely. Is that a thing? It's gorgeous, actually. Let's hope that it dries like that. Well, I am sure you guys will let me know what you think. I will take some photos and they'll be on at the end. And yeah, if you've got any suggestions, greatly received. So please take care, my people. Have a really good week and create, and please stay safe and look after yourself, because if you don't look after yourself, you are no good to anyone else. So I hope you enjoyed this bizarre episode. Until tomorrow, yeah, bye for now.